Okay, here is this camera and it has a micro SD card. The micro SD card is here and I want to transfer the files from this card onto the laptop, and I have no USB cable, and in this case it would be USB Type-C, even more complicated. So how do you transfer the files from this one to the laptop? The laptop has a card reader here which is SD. This is micro SD. As you can see, is much smaller. So how you transfer them? Well, if you have the chance of having another camera, look what we have here. That's an SD card, and more exactly it has a micro SD inside. So basically you need an adapter like this. Just insert your card, because the data is on this one. This is only an adapter from the small size to the large size. Insert that one there, like so, and now you can plug it into your laptop. Just push it in. Okay, and using a file manager, just copy those files from the memory card. Where is it? This one's a 64 GB card. Copy those videos like so onto, that's it, the desktop. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.